Hey guys, Boris from Restless Off-Road here. Just wanted to show you the 5th Gen 4Runner rear tire carrier and 2 bumper. We also installed recently rock sliders. 100% bolt-on. We also did 2.5 King shocks front and rear with Resis with Total Chaos uppers. We also did extended brake lines. We also did the SSW Wheels with Falken tires. Check that out. Super close to the body. Super clean. The tire carrier is 100% bolt-on. The only thing you have to do to get this installed is just do the cutout for this piece right here on the bumper and this cutout right here. That's it. Besides that, no drilling. That's the only cutting you have to do, and that's pretty much it. Besides that, everything goes on, everything's bolted on, easily undoable. This tire size that we have right here is a 285/70/17 Falken Wildpeak AT4W. And this is our rear 2 bumper for the 5th Gen. Super tight to the body, super clean. Also 100% bolt-on, no drilling, no cutting necessary. The only thing you have to cut, again, will be the bumper cover, sorry. Besides that, it does utilize this receiver location. Has bolts in the bottom, up here on top. It also has bolts right here on the sides. Pretty much it. The rock sliders are also bolt-on. Let's check those out. I think the driver's side utilizes about 14 of these grade 10 bolts going all the way through the back, and the same thing for the passenger side. So pretty much this 4Runner came to us stock wheels, stock suspension, and this is it came out. Completely transformed front to back. Super tight fitment on the 5th Gen 4Runner tire carrier. Working our way back. So to open this tire carrier, super simple. Unlatch, open up, smooth action. Some customers do run a 37 on this. You can run it, it'll handle the weight. I can sit on this thing and it'll be okay. I don't recommend you sit on it, it's not a chair, but still, nonetheless, it will carry a 37-inch tire, no problem. Opens up perfectly. This is what it looks like. Super stock finish. Nothing that needs to be cut isn't cut. Super clean finish. This is how we like to do it here. Alright. If you guys have any questions, definitely email us at restlessoffroad@gmail.com. The email is the best way to contact us. Definitely check out our website for lead times and products. Go to restlessoffroad.com. Thank you very much for your time, and we will see you around. Peace.